Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a product review on a hair tool. And if you guys are new to my channel, I often do handbag reviews, unboxings, but I also do beauty videos as well. So skincare, makeup, and hair. So in today's video, the product that I'll be reviewing is the Mermaid Pro Waver tool. So this one right here, and I've been testing it out obviously with my hair like this. Like I just love this like kind of beachy, tussled, effortless wave look. This was kindly sent to me by Mermaid Hair, so thank you so much for sending this through to me. So let's start off with all the goodies that it came with. So it just came in this giant box here. So it's called the Wave Kit, and then at the back here you'll see all the accessories that it came with, and it's so generous. I'm pretty sure this retails for I think 99 Australian dollars, and often they have like 10% codes, or you can find them on like Maya, for example, in Australia. But yeah, it came with this heatless glove, or heat protectant glove I should say, that so you don't burn yourself when you are using this, because this can get quite bulky and it's quite large like in comparison to my head. So having a glove to protect myself from burning my hands is always a must. So it came with this, and it's in a cute little pink shade. It also came with a little travel pouch here, so if you wanted to take this traveling with you, it's got a little drawstring bag which is really cute, like a little dust bag. It also came with a cute pink hair clip, and this is a generous size, like it's like the size of my hand almost, and this works perfectly if you have long hair like me. And then the last thing that came in the kit is this comb right here. So it's like a rat tail comb, and yeah, this is really easy if you want to just section your hair, and also here if you just want to brush out any loose hairs. So yeah, this is really cute. Like all the theme of and the aesthetics of Mermaid hair tools is just so adorable. Like I just love this pink. I think it also comes in like a lilac purpley shade too. I think for like the smaller barrels they also have like a kit for that, but because I have such long hair and like a lot of it, I decided to go for this one, which is I think the 36mm barrel. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong in the description box below. I'll have all the details as well as this linked if you wanted to purchase it. But yeah, I think this is the largest one that they offer, and I decided to go with this one because obviously of my longer hair, and it just gives a more like wavy look, whereas with the smaller barrels in the purple color, they're very tight curls. So I guess if you have shorter hair, that might work better for you, or if you just wanted that tighter curl look or like wave look, that'll be a better option. But yeah, I decided to opt for this one. I almost forgot to mention the last thing that came with this wave kit here, just because I already put it through the wash, is the silk pillowcases. And how gorgeous, like how fun are these colors? It's like a bright hot pink silk pillowcase, like 2 of them. So that's so generous, and yeah, they'll just make sleeping with your hair curled like this just last so much longer. So yeah, that was everything that came in the wave kit. And the next thing that they sent me is this really gorgeous packaging. Like look at how gorgeous that like unicorn style holographicness of it. This is the Mermaid Mist heat styling spray, and just wait till you see the product. So this is obviously a heat protectant spray that you spray on your hair before you put any heat or style it. And this is what it looks like. So it's just like a spray bottle, but look at the product itself. It's like a thick, almost like a syrup consistency. So I just shake it up. I don't know if you have to shake it, but I just like to shake it and then I spray it on, and it smells like cotton candy, not quite bubblegum, but very sweet, like yeah, cotton candy. And yeah, this is just so fun to use. Obviously it's always good to protect your hair when you are styling it, and I think this only retails for like $19, which is super affordable because you get all this product. So yeah, this is the Mermaid Mist. And then the very last thing that they sent me, which I'm super excited to share with you guys because I think it's so cool, is this little case right here. So this is like a little cosmetic case, and it just says Mermaid Hair on the front, and this is called the Pony Kit. So this is in the color light, which is for like light brown, like blonde hair. I think they ran out of the black kit. I think they have like black, brown, and light. So this is what it looks like. But this is just so like, this just reminds me of like back when I was in primary school, like this kind of case here. And you could even use this for like your makeup, traveling. It even has like little mermaid, little zipper pulls there. So you just wrap it around and it just opens up like that. So it comes with a comb. So this comb, I think it came with the wave kit actually. I've just popped it in here. So yeah, this wave kit is definitely worthwhile. Like it comes with so many different things, like this comb as well. They can like run through your waves. If you don't want it as like tight, you want more like an effortless look, you can kind of run this through the hair. So it's got like a wide tooth comb. Back to this kit here. So in here we've got all your hair needs, like literally all your hair needs. It even comes with like another hair clip, and this is like a smaller one. So if you wanted to put your hair like half up, this will work perfectly. And it's like a nice acrylic, like really thick acrylic. It also comes with little hair ties, like clear elastic hair ties, and all these like invisible hair bubbles, like hair ties, like all these here. Like these are pretty expensive. If you get them from like Sephora or Mecca, they cost a lot of money just for like 3 of them, for example. But this came with all of that. It came with a whole pack of bobby pins. So obviously this is for like blonde hair. That's why it's like this gold color. It came with all these hair ties. Oh, these are actually the ones that they don't have, like they don't snag your hair because there's no like connecting part to it. They're like seamless almost. So yeah, these on, they're really, really soft. It came with like thick ones as well as these thinner ones here. So these are really cool and they're really soft too. It also came with a really cute pink scrunchie. How cute is this? Like this pink is just everything. Like how nice is that, just having on my wrist like that? Okay, let's keep it on. So then the next thing here is this. Oh my god, this is like, I love this stuff. So this is the pony gel. If you have like little flyaways, like I often have like little flyaways here just because I used to bleach my hair all the time. Like I used to be like light brown and then I went like blonde at one stage, like balayage blonde, and all my like little baby hairs are like all like broken off and everything. So you can kind of see here, I've got like tiny little flyaway hairs. So this pony gel actually kind of like tames it down. So I'll open it up. You guys just wait till you see this packaging. Like look at how gorgeous that is. It's like an ombre effect of like blue to purple to pink to like light pink, and it's, yeah, it's so pretty. And this is like a really nice case. So it's kind of like a mascara almost. So you just twist it open and this is what the bristles look like. It's like a plastic bristle, literally just looks like mascara, and all you do is just pop it onto your hair and you'll see that all the little baby hairs sticking up will just be tamed. So I'll just do that really quickly just to like set them down a little bit. And even like with the curls here, you could like kind of tame them down. So yeah, this stuff is just amazing. I'm pretty sure they sell this separately too, maybe for like $10-12. So definitely pick that up, but definitely look into this kit. Like this kit is just amazing. I think this retails for $35, and you also get this really gorgeous like pink case, like makeup case, that you can see everything at a glance, and it opens up super widely. And the other thing that I love about it, it also comes with like a little comb. I didn't even see that. So it comes with like another comb. So many combs in this like travel friendly small comb, or you can pop it in your handbag because it's so slim and small and a super cute hot pink color. But the one thing that I love about this makeup case is that these little dividers are actually like removable. So they have like little Velcro bits here, if you can see. So you can actually like take it apart if you wanted something a bit bigger. If you just wanted like a big case, you can actually remove all of it. Like how genius is that? So now it's just like a big open compartment, so you can put all your products in there. Or if you wanted a bit more organization, you can put these like little dividers in it. And at the bottom is like felt here, so that's how the Velcro attaches. The one thing I will say is because it is felt, the makeup could kind of get it dirty. So maybe if you wanted to house all your hair products in here, like your hair ties, just like how they had it laid out, you could do that as well. But I just think this is so cute. So now that we've gone through all the different products, I'll take you through the Pro Waver now. Again, this is, I think, the 36 or 32 millimeter barrel. It's quite large. So if you can see here, this is what it looks like. So it's essentially like a curling wand, or curling barrel, I should say. But there's 3 of them. So with the 3 barrels, the middle one is actually attached to the plate back here. So when you open it up, it actually moves with the plate at the back, just so you can kind of maneuver your hair in here. So pretend this is my hair. Your hair would go in there and then you'd clamp it together to kind of give you this kind of like wave. So we just demonstrate with this piece of hair here. It's not plugged in or anything, but I just want to show you how to put your hair in it. So you just open it up like that. So there's like a little kind of clampy thing there. So you just open that up and then you put the hair between the barrels, and then when it's in the middle, just clamp it down and then hold it for about like 10 to 12 seconds. And then when you're ready to let it go, you just open it up again, and then you'll see like kind of like little waves. And then I move down to the end of the last wave, if that makes sense, and just keep going. And I kind of hold it up a bit just to help when it cools down, it's still like wavy. And then again, 10 to 12 seconds, and then move down again. And then, yeah, it's just easy. It's so easy to use, like honestly. Just be careful when you are close to the head, just because it is quite a large hair tool. Like you can easily kind of like nick your ear. I haven't, thank goodness, but I can just imagine if you aren't careful or looking at yourself in the mirror, that could happen. So yeah, just keep an eye out for that. Other than that, it's just super easy to use. It's got like a little stand here that you can like place down just so the barrels aren't like, actually the heat of the barrels aren't touching the tabletop. It's got settings here. So here's the on button and then the decrease, increase button. So I think this goes up to 210 degrees Celsius at max, but I often put it on 180 just because I don't want it to be too hot. Like I want it hot enough where the curls will stay, but not too hot to the point where it damages and burns my hair. So I think 210 is for like if you have really thick hair and hair that just won't hold a curl. And my hair often doesn't really hold curls, but this has stayed just because they're really like tight, like really like that tousled kind of look, the wave. So I find that 180 works perfectly. I did test it with 190 or I think 200, and that was just like way too hot. Like I could see like steam coming out of my hair. So 180 is perfect. There is still a bit of steam. Obviously you are heating up your hair and curling it. And I often like to do it so my hair is, so this plate is underneath the hair, just so I can see where the hair is placed. Whereas if you had it like this, you can't see anything, like it's just a plate there. So I often have my thumb here, and then so I can curl it and kind of see where the hair is like waved. And then when I move it down, it's easier to see. So yeah, this is super affordable, super easy to use. Once you use it like 2 to 3 times, you really get the hang of it, and it just makes curling your hair so much easier. Just like you don't even have to think about it. I'll just have like a YouTube video playing while I'm just curling my hair. Whereas with like normal hair curls, I'll have to like wrap it around and like carefully like not touch the barrel, or even the ones where you like clip it to the end and then roll up. Like that just takes so much more effort. This is literally just like clamp, 10 seconds, clamp, 10 seconds, clamp, 10 seconds. And yeah, you don't even have to think about it. Obviously it doesn't give you the same like ringlet curls as like a normal hair curler would. But I think if you are, especially like for you guys in the US, the UK, going into spring and summer, like this is just perfect, like beach waves, like just for that effortless look. Like I didn't try too hard to do my hair, but I just look like this. Like I woke up like this. So yeah, I think this is so cool and super affordable. The only 2 cons that I found with using this is that it can get quite heavy, just because you do have like the 3 barrels and the plate here. It can get a little heavy, especially because I have long hair and so much of it. It just took a while to like get around the hair. By the end of it, it just, my hand was kind of like hurting a bit, just because all the weight is on this part here. So when you're holding it, it is quite heavy to hold. And the second con is this little grippy part here. It's really short, like it's really hard to reach. I don't know if I just have like short thumbs, but holding it there, like my hand started, or my thumb started to cramp a little bit. I often find myself having to like stretch and reach for this part while I'm holding the handle down here. Otherwise I have to hold it up here, and that can get quite dangerous because I'm really close to the plate and the barrel. So I want to hold it down here, but then I have to kind of like stretch and reach for this part. So if this was slightly longer, that would just be perfect. But anyway, they're just very slight cons compared to all the pros, like especially with this kit here. Like I just think this is so worth it. I think retailing, like by itself, this might retail for like 80 or 89 Australian dollars, but then you just pay a bit more for this kit and you get all these accessories with it. And yeah, my favorite by far are like the silk pillowcases and also the hair clip. Like I just find this so handy, especially with my long hair. So yeah, I would highly recommend checking this out if you're like a beginner with your hair, or if you just want to experiment and try different hairstyles. Definitely look into this. I know this kind of hairstyle is still on trend right now. And some people I've seen on like online on Instagram, they use like just a hair straightener and they kind of like tilt it side to side just to get like that kind of C shape look. But this just saves so much more time like and so much less effort to use this. So yeah, definitely look into this if you guys are just starting out and want to style your hair or just want to experiment a little bit. Definitely look into the Mermaid Pro Waver. Yeah, I just think this kind of curl, like, I don't know if it suits me. Let me know what you guys think. It just gives me a very different vibe, like a very like casual, carefree, like I'm heading to the beach, I don't care kind of vibe. Yeah, I just think this is just so cool and like very different for me. But yeah, I really like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But yeah, until next time, take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.